Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorials we are going to learn about the projection of rectangular plane ABCD. Dimensions of this rectangular plane is given 100 mm by 150 mm side, okay, and its surface inclined 45 degrees to HP. Further, its shortest edge or side is parallel to HP. Whenever there will be parallel to HP, side parallel to HP means my true shape will be in the HP, right? Whenever there will be surface of plane inclined 45 degrees to HP or inclination with HP is given, my true shape will be below XY reference line or in HP, right? And whenever side or edge parallel to HP will be given, that means my true length will be above XY reference line. Okay, so now I am drawing the solution for it. Okay, just select click on snap, right? Just select XY reference line, okay, and give the dimensions. Go to text, okay. Specify start point. So here I am selecting, okay, 0.2 and rotation angle is 0. Okay, so this is my X, this is my Y reference line, this is my VP. In VP always I draw front view. This is my HP. In HP I will always draw top view, right? So once you did this particular things, what you need to do, you need to draw a rectangle of 100 mm by 150 mm side. Okay, so I'm going to select a rectangle from this toolbox, okay, and from this particular point 100 mm means 4 auto carry, yes or no? So from this particular point 1 2 3 and 4, and length will be 150 mm, right? So how many spacing? 6 spacing, okay. So now I have drawn one rectangle of basically 100 mm width and 150 mm length, okay. So you can check by selecting the dimensions. Click on this particular point, click on this particular point, this is 100 mm. Put the dimensions again, select align from this particular point and this particular point. This is 1.5 AutoCAD unit. So immediately convert it into cyan colors. Now give the namings, okay. Text, select any point on the screen, okay. Click point 2 and rotation angle is 0, okay. So this is my A, this is my B, this particular point is C, this particular point is D, and this is my true shape. Okay, so once you draw this true shape, what you need to do, you need to project perpendiculars to the XY reference plane, okay. Select another projectors, okay, this is another perpendicular, okay, and these are my projector lines, so immediately convert it into cyan color. So what is given in the problem? Shortest side or edge parallel to HP. Parallel to HP means my true length will be above XY and it's a straight line, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this particular point, right, and this particular point, okay, and I'm going to draw one horizontal, that is the true length, okay. So this is my true length, okay. So give the dimensions to this true length, okay. Select this particular point, this is 150 mm, okay. Convert this into cyan color. Then immediately give the text command, type spelling properly, okay. Then select any point on the screen, okay. Point to height and rotation angle is 0. So this is my basically A dash and B dash, and this is my C dash, B dash, okay. And this is basically true line, or you can write down here for your understanding. So true line, okay. Okay, so what we are doing after that, we are going to draw, we want to draw the inclination, and surface inclination is given how much? 45 degrees to HP means true length inclination is given. So I am going to draw one horizontal projector from this particular point and converting into cyan color, okay, and I am selecting any random point on this projector line. So let us say this particular point, okay. So this is my A dash, B dash. So from this particular line I am going to draw one line which is inclined 45 degrees to 45 degrees to HP, right? So this is 1.5 AutoCAD unit. Press tab and the rotation angle is 45. Press enter. Okay, then press escape. Just click Z, enter, enter. Okay. So now you can select. This is my another point. Okay. So I'm clicking on snap. This is my another point, C dash, D dash. So immediately I'm going to give the dimensions, align from this particular point, this is 1.50. Go to dimension, select angular, select this line and this line. Okay, so you can see this is basically 45 degrees. Convert these dimensions into cyan. Gonna press escape. Okay, and give the naming as usual. Text. Start point in anything where you want to write down, and point to rotation angle is 0. So this is my basically A dash, B dash. Okay, and this particular point is my C dash, D dash. Okay, so once I have given all the namings, okay, and this is my true length, okay, inclination. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw vertical projectors from this particular point. So this is my one projector line. This is from this particular point. This is my another projector line. So if you are not getting, select ortho. Okay, there is no issue. From this particular point, again I am going to draw horizontal projectors, and from this particular point I am going to draw another horizontal projectors. Okay, so immediately convert this projector line into cyan color. Okay. So once you did these particular things, what you need to do, you need to mark 4-point intersection. So this is the intersection first of AB, the second intersection, this is third intersection, this is fourth intersection. Now you need to join these 4 points by straight line. Okay, and this will be your top view, dear students. Okay, so now give the naming. Okay, the text. Select any point on the screen, point to rotation angle is 0. So this is my basically A1, this is my basically B1, this is the point C1, this particular point is my D1. Okay, and it should be on the same projector lines. Okay, and this is my top. Okay, so this is basically the solution for this rectangular plane. Okay, whose surface inclined 45 degrees to HP, right? And its shortest side is parallel to HP, right? So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.